Half makes me feel like I have the hiccups, and I heard that a drop of peppermint on the roof of your mouth is supposed to help, so hopefully it does. At least it tastes good. Do you think it's because, like, bringing it in helps?
I don't know, but that's crazy, huh? I mean, do you have the hiccups anymore?
No.
That's totally crazy. It, like, works instantly.
Does? Because I feel like I need to hiccup, but I'm not.
Super crazy. One drop of peppermint on the roof of your mouth.
Yeah. It's gone. One drop.